Hi guys, so we're going to be staying in Windermere for the next couple of nights. This is a bit of a anniversary trip for us. We come every year. We've stayed in this hotel before. We'll tell you a little bit more about it when we get there. But one of the best things about this trip and this hotel is that Luna can come with us. Luna, come on. Here she is. Oh, she's excited, aren't you? She loves a little doggy holiday. So yes, this hotel is dog friendly, and we'll see you when we get there. Go and get the bags. Left Luna guarding the room. I think so. She'll be okay. This is the side entrance.
It's the main entrance.
There's the sheep. Is this the main entrance?
The dining area.
Oh, okay. It's the terrace that we won't be sitting on because it's not quite the time of year for it.
Night after with the dogs.
Oh yeah. Well, I suppose I've got big coats. Another terrace, which we sat on in summer, it was lovely, sitting right there. It was really hot though. And there's our room, right at the top. So we're in room number 10. Nice big key card. Here we are. Room number 10. There we are. Nice big room. Come on, Luna. Oh, Luna's excited. Are we here, Luna?
Good girl.
Oh, yeah.
Another day.
So this is the top floor, one of the top floor rooms. Nice big bed. Let's have a look in the wardrobe. We've already popped our coats in it. Plenty of space. What's this down at the bottom here? Oh, a fan. We won't be needing that today. Half a length mirror, not quite full. Nice size TV. Oh, look. Is this the lounge area? Oh, excited. There's the tea and coffee making facilities. Coffees. Let's take a look. Clean mugs. Let's take a look inside the kettle. Nice clean kettle, bit of water, but it looks clean. Come through in here to the bathroom. Wow, this is a big bathroom. Where's the light switch for it? There. Double sinks. Soap. Oh, that's an old soap. Here's a new one. All the soap's already being used. Not ideal. Plenty of towels. Oh, it was you. Oh, we'll let them off. Victoria's already used the soap. Nice big bath. What's going on with this? Silicone. This silicone's a little bit rough. Oh, it's okay. Oh, a nice big shower. All looks nice and clean. There's plenty of space in here. I suppose that's handy if you're bathing the dog once they've jumped in the lake and rolled around in some mud. You tested the bed?
Shoes on.
Just jump on it. Not with your feet though.
Oh, she's gonna get
Oh, Luna wants to try.
Get down. That's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That sun in your eyes.
Right, sit. Good girl. Stay.
She's excited.
Not allowed on.
Nice view of the hills. Probably can't see that now though because of the sun. Blinding. We'll take a look at that later. Yeah, so pretty happy with the room. What do you think?
Oh, it's lovely, yeah.
Yeah.
But nice view. Everything's wrapped up for Christmas as well outside.
Yeah, so we'll get unpacked, bring the millions of cases up.
Luna's got a breakfast sausage.
Luna's sausage.
Luna, pour. Pour. Good girl. Thank you.
And then, guess who else has got the breakfast? Victoria.
Okay, so here she is, Luna. It was before Q. Come on, get back down. So we had quite a few different things planned during this trip. Well, a lot of them got scuppered really. We went out on the first trip and we had to come back about 30 minutes later.
Not even that, I don't think.
Yeah, no, because the snow just came down so heavy and so fast. You'll be able to see, you'll see in the video when we left, there wasn't a lot at all, but the difference within half an hour when we come back was crazy, and we ended up having to abandon the cars by the side of the road, and that's where it still is now.
It was like a blizzard. The snowflakes were like the size of 50p pieces. It just came down so quickly. We were like, oh God, I think we better turn back.
Yeah. So the car's still there now, so we've had to do things in walking distance. So because of that, we've booked an Airbnb for the summer, so we can go do the things that I wanted to do. So I didn't get a lot of the footage that I wanted to get. But we're in our favourite bar now. It used to be called The Pig in Windermere. It's now called The Tilly. And one of the, I think it's Luna's favourite one as well.
Yes. It is. The food is really, really good.
And she gets lots of fuss off everybody, and
she gets everybody's leftovers.
They feed her cheese and things like that. So.
Yeah. So we've been to some really nice bars and restaurants. We've been to Boaters in Windermere, the Boardwalk in Windermere. That's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the first time we've been there this time. The Garden Bar. That's on the lake. Thank you very much.
Oh, this isn't for you.
Oh, so interested.
Thank you.
So we've just got our food.
Oh, you can't.
Right, you get down
you
now,
can't.
licking your chops.
Yeah, they're not for you. All these
Get down.
halloumi fries.
Yeah, you can have a treat.
Okay.
Good girl.
There you go.
Down.
You go down, man.
Watch. Let's stay in this bit for 5. Yeah.